Not too long ago, I had an MRI appointment. And while this is not medical advice, it is a protocol I developed for myself while I was at my MRI appointment. And I thought maybe it would help you or a loved one who may have an appointment coming up, because this helped me for a 90-minute appointment. I would like to share it with you. And it's something that I called a 648. And if you've done any other breathwork videos with me, you probably have seen the 428, and you might have heard of a 757. There's a lot of variants of this type of breathwork, but 648 really suited me when I was trying to deeply relax myself. I literally ended up putting myself to sleep for a 90-minute appointment. And if it wasn't fully asleep, it made the appointment feel like it was about 10 minutes long. It was amazing how just the breath was able to calm, slow my heart rate, and I was comfortable. Again, this is not medical advice, so if you have questions about your case, you know your body best, talk with your provider and get those insights and advice there. But if you would like to try an integrative wellness approach, something holistic for yourself, go ahead and give this protocol a try with me and see how it feels from a laying down position, just as you might be in an MRI. You could try it laying on the floor with cushions or laying on your bed with a pillow behind your head. I don't know your personal case, so a pillow may or may not be available to you. But again, talk with your provider beforehand. I'll just show you the breathing part that helped me, and I hope it helps you too. So this is a 648. It's a deep inhale through the mouth. And when we inhale for 6, we're filling up our belly, maybe for 3, and then our chest for 3, holding for 4, and then on the release for 8, I want you to imagine melting the back of your head, your jaw softening, your throat, your neck softening, your shoulders softening, and your back, all just melting into that MRI. And just tell yourself, I am safe. I'm being taken care of. And all is well. And when you speak to yourself in a way that is caring and nurturing, you'll be surprised at how much further it calms your nervous system. So we'll go ahead and take care of the breathing part. Inhale for 6, filling up belly and chest. Hold for 4. And let go, melt for 8. Beautiful. Inhale for 6. Hold for 4. Melt for 8. Inhale for 6. Hold for 4. Release for 8. One last time. Inhale for 6. Hold for 4. Melt for 8. I hope this protocol helps you while you are in your MRI appointment, and for all the reasons that you are in that MRI, I wish you the best of health and healing. And you can repeat this as many times as you need if you want to practice it. And while you're in your MRI appointment, go for as long as you can until you start to notice that you're relaxed and calm. I don't think anybody's going to get it perfect. You might extend a little bit longer through your exhales. You might inhale a little bit shorter. That's perfectly fine. The whole point is that you are giving yourself a pattern to breathe, and that pattern calms your nervous system and engages the vagus nerve, and it tells your body to go ahead and just rest. It also tells the body to digest, and your immune system starts working for you. Your body starts to calm down. Everything is being nurtured. Let me know if it helps, and I wish you the best.